स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. So today's video is all about the step-by-step process how to fill the application form for CMAT 2021. So CMAT is nothing but your Common Management Admission Test, which is conducted by the National Testing Agency, through which you can enter into the business schools in India. So guys, if you are preparing for MBA CET, then you can also keep CMAT as in backup, because the CMAT is also accepted by many of the Maharashtra based colleges. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video. Here we'll see the step-by-step process how to fill the application form for CMAT. So first one, in case if you want a preparation for CMAT 2021, then you can join our CMAT pilot batch, which will be start from the 28th December onwards. So grab the opportunities, call and book your seat on 8828581455. So the very first one, you have to come at nta.ac.in, the official website for CMAT. Now here is the tab showing active examinations. That means the exam activity of each particular exam which are ongoing. So just click on active examinations. Now here is the list. Now you have to select this CMAT. Click on it. So friends, very first one, to know each and everything about the exam, here it is shown the information bulletin. Just click it. All the relevant information are given in this PDF. So just download it and go through once before filling the application form. So now we are on our main point. Apply for CMAT 2021. Click here. So click on new registration. So friends, just go through all these instructions very carefully to avoid any obstacle during the form filling process. So click here. That means you've gone through all this info and click here to proceed. So now we'll start the registration process. So very first one, you have to enter all your personal details, your name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth. You have to choose your identity card here and enter their numbers. So your name, father's name and mother's name should exactly be the same as in qualifying examinations, or we can say that on your degree certificate, whatever the name is mentioned, just write down according to it. Now enter all the details, your address. If the permanent address is same, then click here. Now choose the password, confirm it. If you have entered all the details correctly, then you can final submit your application form, or otherwise you can edit also. So just go through once, check all the details, either it's submitted correctly or not. Now you have to click on each and every particular box. So if you checked your name, verified it, then click here. Father name, mother name, click on all the boxes. So friends, be careful while checking all these details. If you want to edit the registration form, you can click here, or otherwise you can submit it. So click on I agree and on final submit. So it again asking you, do you wish to submit registration form finally? Yes. Now your registration process is complete. Now the application form will be start. So note down your application number. So now we are on second stage, that is to fill the application form. So put all the details, your state, category, your choices, where exactly you want to give the CMAT exam. You can select any of the state or any of the cities. Fill all the academic details here, your 10th, 12th and graduation marks. You can also put your percentage and CGPA scores here. If you got the percentage wise mark, then you can enter the obtained marks and the total marks. Now enter the captcha again. Now submit. So once check all the details, now click on the particulars. That means you checked each and everything. Then final submit. So thus your application form is submitted. Now the time to upload the images. So click on upload images. Now you have to choose your photo and the signature. So now submit and preview. So now it will show the preview of your document. So you have to check and verify each and everything. Okay, so as previously done, verify your image and verify your signature. Now enter the captcha here, click here and then upload. All selected documents uploaded successfully. So just click OK here. Now you have to pay the fees. So these all are the stages we completed: registration form, application form, image upload, and now pay the application fee. So just come here, click on to the pay examination fee. Now select the mode of payment, then proceed for it. Okay. So now you have to select any of these, either by SBI, debit card, credit card, HDFC Bank payment gateway or Paytm payment gateway. So just click here and proceed for payment. Enter your number here and then you have to proceed, and finally your application form submitted. So these all are the steps guys. Do not hurry while filling the application form and submit each and every detail carefully. So this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. So friends, kickstart your preparation from now onwards. Join Manoeuvre online program. Get access for all these stuffs. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrance. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.